President Cyril Ramaphosa. The Government of SA. Pay Denel staff their monies as instructed by the courts, now. 10% of salary is a crime. Hello, PPMO ecosystem. These are fellow citizens, mothers, fathers, sons and daughters trying to feed their loved one just like all of us. To all patriots, MKMVA, church leaders, discriminated truck drivers, #Put South Africans First, community leaders, social movements, Operation Judiciary, Twitter warriors, political parties, real uncompromised unions, South African citizens. The project objective is very simple. Government pay Denel staff now. We need no reasons, excuses why they have not been paid. Just pay Denel staff now. Citizens, ask yourself, where is the judiciary, constitution and human rights commissions when our people need them most? Do court decisions apply to certain parties, people and factions? #pay Denel staff now. Please share widely. I know most of you see this, but if not now, you will soon. Thandi here. Awesome, have a great one.